find the maximum product of sub array. So in this basically we need to find the product which is maximum of the contiguous array. So here in this question we will use similar type of approach what we use in the previous two question. So basically we need to define like what we're gonna take as maximum product and minimum product as starting array. So here we will what we gonna do, we will first of all we're gonna define maximum product as mxp nums of 0 and mnp as the minimum product as save. So we will run a for loop for iterating to each number starts. So in this what we gonna do here, we gonna take a starting or the each character as current, each value as current, we'll store that into, and we gonna check here, we gonna check like if the element is negative, so we need to take precaution for negative number, because if positive are there we will just multiply it with the current value. So for negative what we gonna do, as we get, if the current we store, if 1 2 3 4 is there, 1 2 1 2 minus 3 and 4 are there, so here till 2 the iteration is there, so 2 we get the current as 2, because 1 into 2 would be 2, and we the iteration gone through 2 minus 3, then we get like minus 3 into 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6, which is less than that. So here what we gonna do, we will swap the maximum product which is already 2, and the minimum product is the minimum, like 1 it would be. So we need to swap the maximum and minimum product if we encounter any negative number. So it was the only the special case. So here what we gonna do, if current is negative, then we will swap this one mxp and mnp. For else case what we gonna do, we will just for mxp we gonna find the current maximum of the current, or the current into the mxp value. So it will continue it will continue store the maximum product of that for contiguous array, or else if the contiguous array is negative or smaller than that, it will start a new array. So for mnp, that is minimum product, so it will store minimum of current or that current into mnp. So here we gonna do like, here for the answer we need to store the maximum of both the two. So for answer we want maximum, so we need to define answer as we will take answer as 0. If single element is there, then it will return just the starting element. So here what we gonna do, we will give the answer as maximum of answer or the mxp, because we want maximum. Either it would be the single element, then it would return just the answer, or the maximum element which we found by the maximum of the current till the current into maximum product. So we will return this answer. We will then submit this code. Nums So So we can see it is 100% better than the solution which are there in LeetCode. Thank you.